This is the folding gravel bike by Brompton, commonly known as the G Line. It's not a mountain bike, but can it be? Today, I took it somewhere to put it to test as if it was a mountain bike. Swinley Forest. I've ridden my Brompton G Line through cities, parks, along canals and gravel paths, and it's exceptional. But I want to know what happens when you get onto the really rocky stuff. So I packed up my camera gear, loaded the rear Vincita big Nash bag and my front tea bag, and headed into the woods. Swinley Forest has 3 mountain bike trails. Easy, medium, difficult. I chose the middle option. Right from the start, I was surprised. This bike felt planted. No rattling, no panic on the loose gravel, and I felt super confident. The Alpine 8-speed hub was smooth and gave me enough range to climb even with the extra weight I had on board. Yes, it doesn't have suspension like a proper mountain bike, and that's by design. But the ride was nowhere near as harsh as I expected. In fact, it felt comfortable, and I felt in control even when the terrain was really rough. I wasn't travelling light either. Camera gear in the back, including my SLR for some photography, a drone, action cameras, a jacket, and extras in front. Most mountain bikers don't ride trails with luggage, but the G Line didn't complain once. That combination of torque, control, and responsiveness really impressed me. Gear transitions were seamless, even mid-climb, and the hydraulic disc brakes, they were so responsive. They gave me full confidence on the descents. There's a certain joy in riding something outside of its comfort zone and watching it rise to the challenge. Before coming here, I already loved the G Line. I mean, I'm a Brompton fan anyway. If you follow the channel, you know that. But today, it won me over in a new way. Bromptons are known to be city or commuter bikes, but the G Line, it's more than a commuter bike. It's a machine that can take on more than you'd expect, and still fold down into something you can take on the train home. Versatility, simplicity, and surprisingly capable. So can a Brompton handle a mountain bike trail? Maybe not in the traditional sense, but for what it is and what I was carrying with me, it handled them extremely well. Brompton have clearly thought this G Line through. I can't fault it. If you're a tourer, a commuter, or just someone who loves to explore, this bike might just be your next adventure partner. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more rides and unexpected journeys. This is Singh on a Brompton. See you next time.